Got the rear end turbo box, 8.5. Been sitting for a little bit. I got this for about $425, $450, something like that. Don't even remember. 400 maybe. I actually really don't remember. But whatever, was a good deal. So B-body, everything mounted up. Can't show my face right now. It's like got grease everywhere from working on this truck. Y'all see the truck coming along. It's like almost there. Gotta order some parts now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this diff, and then I'm gonna take an axle out and try to replace these studs. See how long it takes. So I'm going with extended studs. They should come out about here. I'm doing it because I don't want to break these, and I think it actually look cool with the studs sticking out. So we'll try that. See what it do. But yeah, I'm gonna wipe my face so I can show my face, and then bust this cover open and see what it's looking like. Nope, wrong way. Have to sit best for us. I love it too, man. So let me get them all off. Get back home. Cruising around the city. Jude. No free promotion. Oh, man. We can get something else. Man, it's a lot of metal. Dang. I don't like that. Might have to drop it down. Locked up. Get the brake calipers off. We just got this one caliper off. We can see what it's doing. What it's looking like. Ain't got no water in it, at least from what I can tell. Dang, popped the blood. There's a grease ball. Don't look too bad. Nothing crazy, nothing shiny. That's what you want to make sure you don't have nothing shiny going on. It's a bad sign. Yep. So, since I already got this side off, I'm gonna go ahead and take this caliper, pads, bracket, drum, and see how I can get to the I don't forget the name of the pieces. Those. Cut it back on in a second. My damn knee. Alright, let's see. I ain't never seen this setup, so I don't know what it's gonna look like, or I don't know what to expect. So we'll just see what. I mean, it's all easy to figure out. Oh yeah, I actually got to come out because the new stud's gonna be too long. fresh set of gloves. Them boys just busted. My hands still kind of damp. They don't want to go on. All right, check this out. So, I've never seen the 8.5 with C-clips. Well, I never heard of it, really. But, I mean, I know it's possible. I don't really know too much about rear ends, but I know how stuff works. I know how to take it apart, put it back together, blah, blah, blah. But, they do have C-clips. I've seen it when I push the axle in and out. You can see the clip. Go ahead and take it apart because I'm trying to get these studs on. So take this one bolt out, and then you can slide this whole piece. I forgot the name of it, but it basically holds. It spreads the axles out and locks them out with the C-clips. But go ahead, take it apart. I don't have a good punch. But see what it's looking like on the other side. Nah, not yet, not even close. Got the C-clip out. So you can do this with your hand, but magnet make it much easier. Try to get in the middle. Might have to rotate it a little bit with the magnet. Try to get it in the center and come up. Once you come up, your axle will be able to slide out like that. So I'm about to bang these studs out and then press the new ones in, and then get a wheel and test fit it. See what it's gonna look like. So take a hammer straight to the face on. Got the axle on wood. Man. We'll get the new ones. We're gonna press them in with the press tool. So I need to go get a box Chevy lug nut. This is the wheel stud installer. So you put this here. Usually should have some washers or something, but I ain't using no washers. Like this spins on it, so it won't damage the face. The groove part here, the little nut sitting there, and it's gonna pull it in. So then we'll get a nut, and then I'll be right back. All right, so we just cut the head off here. Hopefully everything long enough. If it's not, just gonna have to go get a. Man, these ain't gonna work. I know they gotta be forced in, but this part look too big. Let's see. Hey, it's way bigger. Should go get the measuring gauge. Let's see what we get, man. The axle gonna get broke before these come out. Alright, so I had to cut this bolt down a little more. That's why I wasn't going all the way down, but the tool worked good. I've always used washers. The washers be messed up, but this part of the axle don't be messed up, so or the hub, whatever, whichever one. This is what they look like with the wheels on. Definitely don't stick out long enough. I want another inch at least. So yeah, we can see. We're gonna have to go get some more. So I know all the numbers and stuff, and I gotta see what length I got, and then I'm going for an inch past that. Hopefully they got it, cause I want them sticking out at least here. So yeah, that's how you do that. All what I just did. I don't even know all I just did, but I gotta go.